Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and in this lesson video, how to play the introduction to Human Cannonball by Webb Wilder. Click the link below the video to download the tab, and everything I say will make a lot more sense. You're looking at the tab, you're going to see what to play. You're just going to play the 5th and 4th string. 5th string's open, 4th string's on the 2nd fret. And frankly, that's most of the first 4 bars. You're going to put your middle finger down on the 3rd fret once on the 5th string. The rest of that aggressive sound is in your right hand. You're going to start with a palm mute on your hand, right down on the strings. So I'm touching the strings with my palm right on the bridge and coming back to that every time, popping up as I articulate. And notice I maintain a steady down, up, down, up, down, up, down all through the song. If you try to play, you're going to get off time, so keep this going the whole time. While the picking is aggressive, you'll notice also I start with a pick on the string, snap it past. I'm not even taking my wrist off the guitar, but not moving my arm at all. Strangely, this is the key to all the aggressive electric guitar sounds, is control of the pick. It's really tough to control the sound if you're moving your whole arm, so you just move the pick and you get a nice tight rhythm. In the 5th bar, we start playing something else. First you're going to start with a low G, which is actually the last beat of the 4th measure. Middle finger gets the 6th string on the 3rd fret. Then you're going to play the A string open, 3rd string on the 2nd fret, pull off, play the 4th string open, hammer on 2nd fret, 2 open G's on the 3rd string, and kind of repeat that pattern, except you're going to end up back on the 1st finger, 2nd fret, 3rd string. So you pull off first, and then hammer on. Again, you're maintaining a down, up picking pattern. And there you have it, the 2 licks that are integral to the opening of Human Cannonball. As far as the tone of the guitar, I'm down on the bridge and the middle pickup, and I'm playing. I don't have any effects pedals on. I'm just playing through a small tube amp with the volume all the way up on 9 and the master way down on 2, so I don't kill myself in this little room. Don't forget to check below the video for the tab, as well as links to other songs you might like to learn. Below that, there's a big gray box. That's for your questions. If you didn't understand something, it's probably because I left it out. I'm Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and this has been the introduction to Human Cannonball. Watch for future lessons for the rest of the song.